Vanakkam, welcome to. Today we're going to see housekeeping SOPs to how to clean a washroom. So I have here Mr. Praveen, our supervisor, our housekeeping supervisor, and he's going to show us a step-by-step procedure on how we clean our washrooms. So for reference, please, we are making this video for reference, so please follow. All right, let's see. First, he says that we need to flush the toilet, take the bin out. Yeah?
Then we take all the garbages.
Yeah, all the garbage in the restroom, like sachets and the plastic containers of shampoo, he's taken out. And he's checking for some in the bathtub as well. He's taken all the used towels, used linen and towels, and he's putting it outside. Taking the cups, the glasses, the water bottles, the coasters, right?
Yes.
Fine. And then all the amenities, yeah? You could replace all the amenities. So he takes everything out first. So that's what's happening. You need help?
No.
Okay. So you push them all away on the side. So now, first things first.
For the WC.
So for the WC, he's going to use R6, I guess, right?
First we have to push the water inside.
So first he's going to scrub the inner walls.
The water is completely going inside.
Yeah, so he's going to push the water inside.
Yes.
So water has gone completely in, as you can see now.
Then we are used to R6.
So he's going to use R6 now. So, right. Only inside the bowl, right?
Yes.
And give it a nice swirl and a scrub clockwise.
Then leave it.
Alright. You just leave it like that, yeah? And now we're going to spray R2 on this surface.
No, this is R1.
R1, okay. R1 in the sink, the ceramic part of the sink, he's spraying R1, right?
Like a scrubber.
And you're going to scrub it. So he's used R1. Is R1, yeah?
Yes, R1.
Okay.
Then R2.
And he's going to use R2 on the shelvings. R2 usually kills the bacteria. So using R2 for multi-purpose bacteria and cleaning agent. So R2 can be used for all purposes, but usually you're using it for, yeah? The surfaces, these surfaces around the wash basin. And
Other one is R3.
R3. So he's left the chemicals to play while he's going to spray the glass with R3. So let's spray the glass with R3 now.
You can apply to front cloth.
So it's the same.
It is not a directly applied.
So no direct application. So he's going to use a cloth, a nice fine cloth. Apply R3 on the cloth, and then he's going to give it a nice clockwise movement, or
Yes.
yeah, like left, right, swing movement. Yeah, right.
Then this chemical is emerald.
So this is emerald tusky. Can you please close up? Yeah, that's emerald tusky. So he's going to use emerald tusky on these silver fittings, like the metallic fittings. Yeah.
Like this one.
Okay, the metallic fittings. Right. Nice. So you're going to use emerald. So to give it a nice shine and a nice polish. Alright, fine.
Then after that, all cleaning. Come to the WC area. Again one scrub. Then flush it.
So you're going to flush it. And
After
now,
that, all cleaning. Then come to WC area.
okay. So now what do you apply on this?
This area is full of R1. R1 is a ceramic cleaner.
Okay.
You can use the R1.
So you can use R1, yeah?
Yes.
Can you use R2 as well? Because I've seen someone use R2 as well.
R1 is using ceramic because of R1 is like a sanitizer.
Okay. This is ceramic.
R1 is like a sanitizer cleaner.
Okay.
So you are using R1.
Okay, right. Nice. So now you spray it all over.
Yes.
Okay. So this is going to be R1,
Yes.
right? Okay. So R1, and then you take a cloth and you go clockwise.
First we have to scrub it, then we wipe in a clockwise.
Okay.